Hey everyone, Casey here. Today, we're diving into the world of unique and lesser-known side hustles that can seriously boost your income. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or want to diversify your income streams, these ideas might just be the ticket. From tech innovations to creative services, there's something here that can resonate with your skills and passions. Let's explore these exciting opportunities and get inspired to start something new. Imagine transforming spaces from the comfort of your home. As a virtual interior design consultant, you can do just that. Utilizing software tools, you'll provide clients with stunning visualizations of their spaces, tailored to their tastes and needs. This hustle not only taps into the booming home decor market, but also offers the flexibility to work from anywhere. If you have a knack for design and a passion for home aesthetics, this could be your next big move. Drone photography is not just for stunning landscape shots anymore. Offering drone photography services can cater to real estate, weddings, and even commercial advertisements. With the right equipment and some practice, you can create breathtaking aerial content that stands out. This side hustle requires an upfront investment in a good drone and some technical skills, but the unique perspective it offers can really set you apart in the photography market. Everyone has a special skill that others might find valuable. As an online course creator for unusual skills, you can share your expertise with the world. Whether it's juggling, antique restoration, or anything in between, digital platforms allow you to reach a global audience eager to learn. Start by identifying your niche skill, then develop a curriculum and use video to teach others. It's a great way to generate passive income while helping others grow their own talents. Subscription boxes are all the rage, and creating a niche subscription box service could tap into specific interests that are underserved, whether it's eco-friendly cosmetics, gourmet snacks from around the world, or DIY robotics kits. Curating boxes that cater to specific hobbies or needs can create a loyal subscriber base. This hustle combines creativity with commerce and requires understanding market trends and customer preferences to succeed. If you love cars and meticulous work, mobile car detailing could be your calling. This service offers convenience to customers by coming to them whether at home or work. You'll need some initial supplies and a van or truck to carry your equipment, but the appeal of personalized car care can build a strong client base. Plus, you can set your own hours and rates, making this a flexible and potentially lucrative side hustle. 3D printing is revolutionizing how we create and customize. Offering custom 3D printing services can allow you to enter a market where customers seek personalized gadgets, gifts, or even parts for DIY projects. You'll need to invest in a reliable 3D printer and materials, but the ability to offer bespoke products can attract a diverse clientele. From prototype development to personalized figurines, the possibilities are endless. As technology advances, so does the complexity of our home systems. Providing remote tech support for smart home devices can help non-tech-savvy users manage their setups. This could involve troubleshooting, system updates, or regular maintenance checks. You can offer these services remotely, making it a convenient side hustle with a growing demand as more homes become smart. With health consciousness on the rise, offering personalized meal planning and prep guides can appeal to those looking to improve their dietary habits, but lack the time or knowledge to do so. Through consultations, you can create tailored meal plans that cater to nutritional needs and personal tastes. This hustle not only promotes a healthy lifestyle, but also builds ongoing client relationships as you update their meal plans. As an eco-friendly home improvement consultant, you can help others reduce their environmental impact while improving their living spaces. This could involve advising on energy-efficient appliances, sustainable materials, and waste reduction practices. With a growing awareness of environmental issues, this side hustle not only feels good, but also does good, helping you build a client base that values sustainability. For those with a zest for travel and local culture, becoming a specialty travel experience planner could be incredibly rewarding. This hustle focuses on creating unique travel itineraries that go beyond typical tourist attractions, offering authentic experiences that are tailored to your client's interests. Whether it's culinary tours, adventure sports, or cultural immersion, your knowledge of niche travel markets can turn into a profitable and exciting business. That wraps up our look at 10 unique side hustles to boost your income. Which one sparked your interest? Drop a comment below and let me know which side hustle you're eager to start, or if you have any other cool ideas to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more content packed with creative ideas and tips to fuel your entrepreneurial spirit. Catch you in the next video.